Moxie Media presents Portable Ladder Safety. Many of us use portable ladders on a regular basis, both at home and on the job. These handy tools can help us perform a range of tasks, from replacing a light bulb to repairing a roof. However, because ladders are fairly simple to use, it can be easy to forget the safety concerns associated with them. This program will cover important techniques to help you select, inspect, and use ladders in the safest, most effective way. When selecting a ladder, it's important to consider the following factors: whether the ladder will be used indoors or outdoors, what the ladder will be used for, whether you will be working near any dangerous sources of electricity, how much weight will be on the ladder, and the height you will need to reach. To set up an extension ladder, start by facing the side of the ladder. Grip the ladder rail on the base section, keeping the ladder vertical. You should never stand above the second step from the top of a step ladder or the fourth rung from the top of an extension ladder. Don't stand or sit on the top shelf of a step ladder. Center your body on the ladder. Keep your belt buckle between the rails and maintain a firm grip. Never climb a closed step ladder. Always keep 3 points of contact with the ladder while you are climbing. 3 points of contact means you are holding on with 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand. When used properly, ladders can help you to work safely and efficiently. If you inspect, set up, and use your ladders with the safety techniques that we've covered, you will be able to increase your work productively while avoiding ladder-related injuries.